In this video, we will study about some laws of exponents and logarithms. Let us see what is an exponent. An exponent is the power to which a number, symbol or expression is to be raised. An exponent is the power to which a number, symbol or expression is to be raised. Let us see few examples. In x raised to 3, we know that x is a symbol or variable. Then in x raised to 3, 3 is the exponent and x is the base. 3 is the exponent and x is the base. In 2 raised to 5, 2 is a number. Okay, in 2 raised to 5, 5 is the exponent and 2 is the base. In a raised to b, b is the exponent and a is the base. Now let us see some laws of exponents. The first law is a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Here, note that the base of both the numbers a raised to m and a raised to n are same, namely a. So, to multiply identical bases, add the exponents. To multiply identical bases, add the exponents. Let us see few examples. 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 6. In both the numbers, the base is 2. So, to multiply 2 raised to 3 and 2 raised to 6, we need only add the exponents. So, 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 6 is equal to 2 raised to 3 plus 6 is equal to 2 raised to 9. 5 raised to 4 into 5 raised to 7. 5 raised to 4 into 5 raised to 7 is equal to 5 raised to 4 plus 7 is equal to 5 raised to 11. The next example is 9 raised to 2 into 9 raised to 4 is equal to 9 raised to 2 plus 4 is equal to 9 raised to 6. Now, the next law is a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. A raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. Here again, note that the base of all the numbers are identical and it is equal to a. So, to divide identical bases, subtract the exponents. That is, to divide identical bases, subtract the exponents. For example, 4 raised to 5 by 4 raised to 3 is equal to 4 raised to 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 equal to 2. So, 4 raised to 5 divided by 4 raised to 3 is equal to 4 raised to 2. Next, 3 raised to 7 by 3 raised to 4 is equal to 3 raised to 7 minus 4 is equal to 3 raised to 3. Next, 9 raised to 8 by 9 raised to 6 is equal to 9 raised to 8 minus 6 equal to 9 square. The next law is a raised to m the whole raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. Let us see few examples. 4 raised to 3 the whole raised to 2 is equal to 4 raised to 3 into 2 equal to 4 raised to 6. 8 raised to 7 the whole raised to 4 is equal to 8 raised to 7 into 4 equal to 8 raised to 28. 9 raised to 5 the whole square equal to 9 raised to 5 into 2 equal to 9 raised to 10. The next law is a raised to minus m equal to 1 by a raised to m. A raised to minus m is equal to 1 by a raised to m. Let us see few examples. 4 raised to minus 5 is equal to 1 by 4 raised to 5. 4 raised to minus 5 equal to 1 by 4 raised to 5. 6 raised to minus 7 equal to 1 by 6 raised to 7. 9 raised to minus 2 is equal to 1 by 9 raised to 2. The next law is a raised to 0 equal to 1. That is, any number raised to 0 equal to 1. How small or big the number may be, that when that number is raised to the power 0, the answer is 1. Let us see the examples. 4 raised to 0 is 1. 100 raised to 0 is 1. 19 raised to 0 is 1. Now let us see what is a logarithm. The logarithmic function y equal to log x to the base a. Please note it is read as log x to the base a. Note that a is written to the right bottom of the word log. So, it is read as y equal to log x to the base a. A is called the base and x is called the argument. A is called the base and x is called the argument. So, the logarithmic function y equal to log x to the base a is called the logarithmic function with base a. The logarithmic functions are the inverse of the exponentials. That is, the inverse of y equal to log x to the base a is x equal to a raised to y. The base a and the argument x cannot be negative or 0. They are positive numbers. Now we shall see the laws of logarithm. Log xy, log x into y to the base a equal to log x to the base a plus log y to the base a. That is, logarithm of product is equal to sum of logarithms. Logarithm of product of x and y equal to sum of the logarithms of x and y. Logarithm of the product of x and y equal to sum of the logarithms of x and y. Now, log x by y to the base a equal to log x to the base a minus log y to the base a. That is, the logarithm of ratio of x and y is the difference between logarithm of x and logarithm of y. Now, log x raised to y to the base a is y into log x to the base a. Log x raised to y to the base a equal to y into log x to the base a. Log 1 by x to the base a equal to minus log x to the base a. Log 1 equal to 0. Log 1 to the base a equal to 0. In all these definitions and examples, the base A can be any positive real number. Thank you.